Oh, yo, we're gonna miss the premiere.
Really?
Yeah.
Yo, we gotta go tell everyone.
All right, let's go.
Good morning, Pennridge. I'm Michael Timm here with your announcements for Monday, October 23rd, day 1 on your academic schedule. Today's weather will be a high of 60 and a low of 44 with full sun. As we move into Tuesday, temperatures will rise, but don't worry, clouds will move in to cool it down. Temperatures also plummet in the evening hours to the mid-40s, so grab your blankets, slippers, and stay warm, Pennridge. Let's move on to lunch. Today, the cafe will serve orange chicken over rice, or sausage, egg, and cheese bagels. Both meals come with steamed broccoli, baby carrots, assorted fruit, and you know you love it, your choice of milk. There will be after-school instructional support tomorrow, October 24th. Please check the flyer in your classroom or subject and room numbers. And, hey Pennridge, this week is officially Red Ribbon Week. The Red Ribbon campaign was started when drug traffickers in Mexico City murdered DEA agent Kiki Camarena in 1985. This began the continuing tradition of displaying red ribbons as a symbol of intolerance towards the use of drugs. The mission of the Red Ribbon campaign is to present a unified and visible commitment towards the creation of a drug-free America. Lastly, this is a reminder that today is a Rams Day. Check efficiency to see for where you should be. That's it for me. Now to Lexi Boyle with Volume 2 of Outfit of the Day, Administration Edition.
So where's your sweater from?
Well, my blazer and my shirt are both from Stitch Fix because that's where we all shop.
And your pants?
My pants are from Loft, our second store.
And then your shoes?
They are from Amazon. They are the Comfy Practical Walk 12,000 Step Wedge.
All right, thank you. So where did you get your tie from?
The tie is from Calvin Klein.
And then your suit?
Suit, Calvin.
And then your shirt?
That's also Calvin.
And your shoes?
The shoes are Banana Republic.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks, Mike, and a special thanks to Lexi Boyle for that special feature. I'm Evie Rindone.
And I'm Olivia Fellenz with your main office news. Students, parents, and guardians are invited to attend our college admissions and selection seminar on Tuesday, October 24th at 6:30 p.m. They will have a panel of admissions counselors available to educate everyone on the unique characteristics of community colleges, state universities, and private colleges. The seminar will take place in LGI 3.3.
All students 16 and older on Thursday, November 2nd at 7:30 a.m. Students will have the opportunity to take the ASVAB Career Exploration Assessment. If interested, please register through the link on your House of Canvas page. The registration deadline is October 26th or until the maximum seating of 30 students is met. And County Community College will host a semi-annual open house on Saturday, October 28th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. at the Newtown campus. Stop by room 307 for registration information.
Attention seniors interested in applying to Shippensburg or Moravian University. Both colleges will be offering an instant decision day. Registration information can be found on campus. Lastly, college visits continue this week with visits from Ursinus, Albright, Havenford, Lafayette University of Rochester, Towson, Palm Beach Atlantic, and George Washington University. Please register at Naviance if you would like to hear what they have to offer. Stop by room 307 to speak with Mrs. Lewis if you have any questions. That's it for us. Now after sports with Carson.
Thanks, guys. I'm Carson with your sports of the day. Boys JV football home at 3:30 p.m. versus North Penn High School. And are you interested in joining the bowling team? Pennridge has both a boys and a girls team and is looking for bowlers. Please come up to the athletic office to sign up for the team. Also, there will be a player-parent meeting on Monday, October 30th at 7 p.m. in the library. Also, the weight room schedule for this week is as follows. Today, October 23rd from 2:20 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Tuesday, October 24th from 2:20 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. and Thursday, October 26th from 2:20 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Lastly, if any boys are interested in trying out for the freshman boys basketball team, there will be a meeting in the Green Gym on Thursday, October 26th at 7 a.m. Information about dates and times of tryouts will be discussed during this meeting. Short and sweet. Thanks, that's all for sports. Back to the desk with teachers and clubs.
Thanks, Carson. I'm Andrew.
And I'm Jayden with your Teachers and Clubs news. It's that time of year again. Time for the Red Cross Club Coat Drive to benefit Pennridge Fish. Bring your clean, gently used coats and jackets to room 345 through Tuesday, October 31st. You can make a difference.
Guten Morgen. We will have 20 German exchange students staying with Pennridge families for the next 3 weeks. These students will be staying with their host partners, going on field trips in the surrounding area, and will even come to classes here at Pennridge a few times a week. If you would like to meet our exchange students from Nuremberg, Germany, you can join our welcome party today after school in the cafeteria from 2:20 to 3:30. Please help us welcome these students to Pennridge High School.
We're all in this together. The Women Supporting Women Club is facilitating a period supply donation drive up until next Friday, October 27th. Donation drop-off locations are outside the main office and cafeteria. Thank you for helping those in need in the PHS community. Lastly, we have 28 extra yearbooks from last year, and we're selling them for $50. See Mrs. Tiedekin in room 368 with a $50 check made out to PHS High School.
That's it for us. Thank you for watching, and tune in tomorrow and have a great day, Pennridge.